Hello everyone, back making another video. Today I'm gonna add 1 TB of SSD to my computer, which is a Skytech gaming computer. It came with 500 gigs and I'm gonna go get the SSD. So this is the SSD I got. T-Force. It was on sale on Newegg. I really don't remember how much it was. I'll leave a link in the description. And this is the storage. It came with, well, it didn't come with this. I had to buy, so I'm gonna go over the cords anyways, but this is the SSD and this is the SATA power extender. So I need an extender to plug it to the back of my computer. And then this one is the SATA data cable. And it's not that hard. If you look, you see there's 2 L shapes. You just look at it, match it up, push it. There you go. And then this one is the same. You just look at it, the L, and push it, and yeah, see? Bada bing bing pow. And here is the computer, right here. My Skytech gaming computer, and I'm gonna add the SSD to this. Okay, so here's my computer. So first what we are going to do is, alright, we'll probably take off the back panel too. So you want to get your Phillip, and then you just want to screw off the back side. There's literally 2 screws. You just unscrew them. Oops. And then you just pop off the back side. You just pull it back and it slides right off. Okay. If you can see, so if you look, let me bring this camera closer. So if you look right here, let's see, come on, don't do this. Oh, I can't do it this way. If you look right here, this one, you can plug in the end of your SATA power cable into this one. So it just plugs in just like this. See, just like that. And you should be good to go. And now I'm going to probably just unplug this and then put it through the hole and then put my SSD on the other side. So I'll do that and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I fed the SATA power cable through this little hole right here, and then I put the back on. So now what I'm gonna do is put the SSD into the slot right here and then attach the SATA data cable. So I had to reopen the back again, and now I'm gonna plug the data cable into one of these slots right here. So I'll do that right now. So I plugged it into the third slot. Now I'm gonna plug the ends into the actual SSD now. Okay, so now the SATA data cable is plugged in and the SATA power cable is plugged in. The SATA data cable is plugged into the motherboard, and then the extended power cable is plugged into the other side. Okay, so when you have your SSD installed, or your hard drive, whatever, you want to go to this PC. Let's see. This PC. Actually, I'll just start from the beginning. So you go to your I don't know what this is called. Start menu, type this PC, click OK. Then you want to go to manage. You want to go to manage. Then you want to go to disk management. Then right here, you want to click it. You want to right click and you want to do new simple volume. You want to click next. You don't want to change anything here. You can assign it whatever letter you want. I'm gonna give it letter M. You click next. You don't change anything right here. Oh, hold on. Yeah, this the name. This is if you want to change the name. I'm gonna change it to solid state. Or what am I gonna? Solid state 2. And then you're gonna click next. Then you're gonna click finish. And it's done formatting. And then you can save whatever you want to that if you want, and you're good to go. When it's done formatting, this window will pop up and this is your a new location. So now I have 1 terabyte, or technically 953.85 gigs of solid state added to my to my SkyTech game.